Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 7 for the subject of computers. Topic is adding a text box which is covered in chapter 10 starting on page number 129 of your textbook titled Logics 7 and is being submitted to you on 1st February year 2021. This voice is of Rupinder Kaur. So, I hope all the students are ready for today's lesson. Children, in previous lesson, we learned how to create a form in HTML. Today, we will discuss how to add different types of boxes in a HTML form, as there are various boxes used to fill different types of information. So, we will start with adding a text box. A text box is used to enter text or data in the form of numbers such as 1, 2, 3, etc. and characters like A, B, C, etc. We can enter a single line text in this type of box. To insert or add a text box in your form, you can use the tag as given input type is equal to text. Let us understand again with the help of coding given below. Children, as you can see, I have used the HTML coding for creating forms. Start with the HTML tag, then write head tag and then use the title tag. Here, the title is written as using forms. Close the title tag and close the head tag also. Now, start the body tag. Under the body tag, form tag will be used. Next, write down name input type is equal to text. Name is equal to first name. Password input type is equal to text. Name is equal to password. Close the form tag and close the body tag also, then close the HTML tag. After saving this coding, you will get the result like given name, a box, password, a box. In this coding, form tag specifies the beginning of the form. Input type is equal to text specifies the value text indicates that text input field is the interface element. Name is equal to first name. First name is the name of the input field or text box. Children, our next topic is adding a checkbox. A checkbox is like a switch by clicking on which we can select or deselect the given options or items. Let us understand this with coding given below. Use the HTML tag, then head tag, and after head tag write the title tag. Here adding checkbox is used as a title. Close the title tag and close the head tag also. Now write the body tag under which use the form tag. Start with input type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to C1, value is equal to Monday, checked. Monday, BR tag is used for break the line. Next, write input type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to C2, value is equal to Tuesday. Similarly, you can add more input types in the checkboxes and write other days of the week also. Close the form tag and close the body tag also. At the end, close the HTML tag. Children, here type is equal to checkbox indicates that checkbox is the interface element. Name is equal to C1 specifies the name of the checkbox by which it will be identified. And value is equal to Monday specifies the value that will be assigned to the checkbox when it is in the checked state. And checked causes the checkbox to be on, that is checked when the form is first created. Children, next we will learn how to add a radio button, as radio buttons are used to select a single option from the given options. Let us understand with the coding. Use the basic HTML tags and then use input type is equal to radio, name is equal to gender, value is equal to male. Then use input type is equal to radio, name is equal to gender, value is equal to female. Close all the tags and after saving you will get the result like 2 radio buttons will be appearing on your screen, one with male option, other with the female option. Children, here type is equal to radio indicates that radio button is the interface element. Name is equal to gender specifies the name of the radio group. And value is equal to male and value is equal to female based upon which radio button will be selected. The particular value will be assigned to the radio group gender. And checked is equal to the radio button with this attribute will be selected by default. Students, next we will discuss how to add a password field, as password should not be visible to others while entering. So, we use hidden format for password field by using the following coding. Start with the basic HTML tags and under the form tag use password, input type is equal to password, name is equal to password, size is equal to 20 and close all the tags. Students, type is equal to password indicates that password is the interface element. Name is equal to password. This is the name of the password field. And size is equal to 20. This specifies the width of the password field. Children, I am giving you 3 minutes break. During break, answer the following questions. Question 1. Dash is a toggle switch with which a user can select or deselect one or more than one items. Question 2. Dash buttons are used when the user has to make a selection of only one among the several possible options. Welcome back, children. Before starting our next topic, let me give you answers of the questions asked during break. Answer 1. Checkbox. Answer 2. Radio button. Students, let us now learn how to add a drop-down list in a form. The drop-down list is used when we want to add or display a list of options from which the user can select an item. The tag select is used to define the selection list in a form. Under the select tag, the option tag is used to enter the number of different options. Let us understand with following coding. After using the basic tag, use the form tag and write down select your city. Then use the select name tag is equal to cities. Option selected, write Chandigarh, Delhi, Mumbai. Like this, you can add other cities also. Close the select tag and close the form tag also. Students, we will fill the form online. We get the options of send, submit, reset, etc. All these buttons are used so that the data can be stored somewhere so that it can be reused and the form is also cleared for another set of information to be entered by other users. The commonly used buttons are submit and reset. Children, if you want to add a box in your form so that users can write their remarks, reviews, or feedbacks, then a multiple line text field is added in the form. For that, use the text area tag and also specify the row and columns of text box which will set the height and width of the text area box. Kindly observe the coding given on page number 133 of your textbook. Students, our next topic of this chapter is application areas for forms. Commonly used forms are discussed as below. Number 1. Educational sites. These are used to collect information which includes names, addresses, telephone numbers, email addresses, etc. required by the websites for registration of users. Number 2. Online purchasing of orders. These days, we used to do online shopping from various online websites. All these websites ask us to fill online form in which they ask us about our name, address, phone number, email address, method of payment, etc. Number 3. Online feedback forms. Generally, we use services of any website. They ask us to fill a feedback form in which we normally fill our reviews or comment about the services provided by the particular website. Number 4. Providing the interface for a chat session. As you must have noticed, users are required to fill out a form if they want to participate in a chat session or a discussion group. Students, I am ending the lesson here. Kindly read the assignment carefully and also try to solve part A, B, and D given on page number 134 and 135. Thank you. Children, as you can see on your screen that a coding for creating forms is used. After using the basic tags that are HTML, head, title, we have used the body tag and the bg color is set to yellow. Font color is set to blue and font size is given 6. And the heading of the form is written as sample form. Under the form tag, the tags for text box and password box are used. BR tags are used to give the space between these boxes. As you can see, that checkbox is also used with the help of tag input type is equal to checkbox. Name is equal to C1 and value is equal to Monday. Next, input tag is used for checkbox. Name is equal to C2 and value is equal to Tuesday. After that, radio buttons are used for entering the gender as male or female. Then a drop-down list is used with the help of tag select name is equal to cities. Options are given as Chandigarh, Delhi and Mumbai. Children, here you can enter more cities also. Then use the BR tag for giving the space. After that, the text area is used for entering the remarks by using the tag text area. Rows is equal to 6, column is equal to 50 and name is given as remarks. Close the text area tag and close the form tag, then close the body tag and at last close the HTML tag. Children, now you can see the sample form appears on your screen with the name text box in which name Rahul is entered. Then password box is used in which password is entered in a hidden format. After that, two checkboxes appear where Monday is checked. Then two radio buttons are used with the option male and female. After that, the drop-down list appears with the options Chandigarh, Delhi and Mumbai, and at last a text area box appears with the heading remarks.